Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that we have seen crude has continuously risen from 2020 and now it has made a high of around 93.23. Okay, and at this particular level we have seen a profit booking has come, and from there it is continuously going down. Okay, so what the support we can see is coming at around 88.93 and then at a level of 87.78, and if it goes below this then we can see a strong support coming at around 85.48. okay, so what we can understand looking at the chart. Before that, if you have any doubt regarding crude oil or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude is working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Now look at the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart from 2016, we have seen a volatile market in the crude where we have seen a high of around 77. Okay, but in after 2020 we have seen this particular level has made a low, and from there we have seen a continuous rise. Okay, and if you have seen my video from that particular level, I have always suggesting you for a buy from 2043 because this is the particular range and it has continuously moving upside. But understand one thing, there is a pattern that is forming. Okay, this is whenever it made high it comes down. Okay, first, second times, third time, fourth time. You have seen the pattern. It is third time, fourth time. Now what we can see, it can come down again. Okay, and this calculation you can see from here that it made a high of around 43.72, made a low of around 33.54, made a high of around 67.75, made a low of around 56.75, made a high of around 76.89, made a low of around 62, made a high of around 85.25, made a low of around 62. Okay, now it has made a high of around 93, still it is in the range. Okay, made a low of around 88, and now it is continuing this particular trend. So what we can see in the next week, so if you're trading, you know that the market is volatile and it's a risky thing, so always consult your financial advisor before investing or trading. Now you look at the chart. If you look at the chart, what you can see that after this particular rise since December 21, we have seen it made a high of around 93.08, and from there we have seen a red candle has formed. Okay, because profit booking has come at this particular level, and I was telling you from my previous thing that why it has come at this particular level, because we have seen that whenever there is a rise in the price of crude, we have seen that there is a profit booking comes. Okay, so we can see this and this particular level, we can see it can be a probability that can be moved downside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 88.38, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 87.60. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 86.55, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 85.51. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 83.16, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 81.85. And suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 80.29, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 77.67. Again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 88.38, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 86.29, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 85.25. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 84.47, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 83.16. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 81.85. okay, and if price goes below this level, strong support is at around 85.51. If this level goes below, if this particular level, then we can see a level of 82.90, and from there we can see a level of 81.85. and suppose the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 80.55, and from there we can see a level of 79.24. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 77.67, and from there we can see a level of 76.89. Suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 74.28, and from there we can see a level of 73.50. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 69.84, and from there we can see a level of, it can go further low towards a level of 65.40 also. okay, if it falls below a level of 68, then towards a level of 66, and then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 63 also. Now understand one thing, if it goes below this level, then because a particular level we have seen that this is happening, so we can see there can be a fall also, but if it goes above a level of 92, then we can see it can be it can further upside, can move further upside. Now understand one thing, okay, suppose if the price goes above this level, so I have to show you full chart, then only you will understand how it can move upside. Suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 92.34, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 96. okay, and if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 98.54 also. Again I repeat, if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 92.78, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 93.43. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 95.74, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 97. okay, and if the price goes up this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 98.05, and these levels are already being tested here, so chance of going towards 100 is high, and if it goes above 100, then we can see it can go towards a level of 103.33, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 105.31 also, and then we can see it can go further towards a level of 106, and then we can see a level of 108.28, and if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go towards a level of 110.59. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, because these levels are already being tested here, so we can see a level of 111.90, and from there we can see a level 114 also. But as of now, what I can see, a profit booking can come at this particular level, and we can see it can fall further. okay, but if it goes below a level of 87, then we can see 85.60, and if it falls below this level, then we can see it can further low towards a level of 77. okay, but if it has to go below a level of 79, then 77, and then we can see a level of 75. okay, so it has to sustain. If it didn't sustain a level of 86, then 85. If it didn't sustain that level also, then we can see a level of 80.24, and then we can see a level of 76. okay, so this is what we can see in the crude prices. So, and understand one thing, if you are a trader, always try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital. That is, if you are trading with $10,000 capital, you should trade with 10 to 15, that is $1,000 or $1,500 of capital. okay, then so that your risk should be 0.5 to 1%. okay, that is per trade. That means a risk of around $15 to $100. If you trade 5 times, you know your risk is $500. If you lose 3 times also, you know your risk is 300, but profit can be big. okay, so it will recover your amount, as well as you can come in a good profit situation. I do workshop in group as well as individually. You can mail me regarding this. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.